Today, modern applications are becoming more complex than ever. We are using microservices, cloud platforms, containers, Kubernetes, and multiple third-party integrations. Because of this complexity, traditional monitoring tools often fail to give us clear visibility. This is where Dynatrace comes into the picture. In this video, we will understand what Dynatrace is, how AI-powered monitoring works, and why Dynatrace is one of the most powerful observability platforms in the industry. Why monitoring is critical. Monitoring is not just about checking if a server is up or down. It is about understanding performance, availability, user experience, and system health. Without proper monitoring, issues remain hidden until users complain. This leads to downtime, poor customer experience, and revenue loss. Modern businesses need real-time, intelligent monitoring, not manual checks. Problems with traditional monitoring. Traditional monitoring tools depend heavily on manual configuration, static thresholds, and alerts. They generate thousands of alerts but fail to explain the root cause. Teams spend hours finding where the problem actually started. This alert noise increases stress and slows down incident resolution. What is Dynatrace? Dynatrace is an AI-powered monitoring and observability platform designed for modern cloud-native environments. It automatically monitors applications, infrastructure, logs, user experience, and network layers, all from a single platform. Dynatrace does not just detect problems, it explains why the problem happened. What is observability? Observability means the ability to understand what is happening inside a system by analyzing its outputs. It focuses on metrics, logs, traces, and user behavior. Dynatrace provides full-stack observability, allowing teams to see the entire system in one unified view. Dynatrace full-stack observability. Dynatrace monitors applications, microservices, infrastructure databases, cloud platforms, user experience. All components are automatically connected, giving you end-to-end visibility without manual setup. The power of AI in Dynatrace uses its AI engine called Davis AI. This AI continuously analyzes billions of dependencies in real time. Instead of generating random alerts, Davis AI provides precise answers about what went wrong and where. Davis AI explained Davis AI automatically detects anomalies, correlates events, identifies root cause, suggests impact. This removes guesswork and allows teams to act quickly with confidence. Automatic root cause analysis. One of Dynatrace's strongest features is automatic root cause analysis. When an issue occurs, Dynatrace shows which service failed, what caused the failure, which users were affected. No manual investigation needed. Application, performance monitoring, APM. Dynatrace provides deep application performance monitoring. It tracks response times, error rates, service dependencies, code-level issues. Developers can quickly identify slow methods, failed API calls, or inefficient database queries. Infrastructure monitoring. Dynatrace automatically monitors servers, virtual machines containers, Kubernetes clusters. It detects CPU, memory, disk, and network issues and connects them directly to application impact. Cloud and Kubernetes monitoring. Modern applications run on AWS, Azure, GCP, and Kubernetes. Dynatrace provides native support for cloud platforms and auto-discovers Kubernetes workloads, pods, and services without manual configuration. Log monitoring and analytics. Dynatrace collects and analyzes logs in real time. Instead of searching logs manually, Dynatrace connects logs with metrics and traces, making troubleshooting faster and smarter. Digital experience monitoring. Dynatrace tracks real user behavior across web applications, mobile applications. It measures page load time, user actions, errors, and frustration signals to ensure a smooth user experience. Synthetic monitoring. Dynatrace uses synthetic monitoring to simulate user actions. This helps detect issues before real users are impacted, ensuring high availability and reliability. Smart alerts, not alert noise. Dynatrace sends problem-based alerts, not individual metric alerts. This reduces alert fatigue and ensures teams focus only on critical issues that truly matter. Automation and auto-healing. Dynatrace integrates with automation tools to enable auto-healing. For example, if a service crashes, Dynatrace can automatically trigger scripts to restart or scale resources. Dashboards and visualization. Dynatrace provides powerful dashboards with real-time insights. Teams can visualize system health, performance trends, and business metrics all in one place. Business impact analysis. Dynatrace does not just show technical issues. It shows business impact, such as number of users affected revenue. Impact critical transactions impacted. This helps management make faster decisions. Who uses Dynatrace? Dynatrace is widely used by enterprises, DevOps teams, SRE teams, cloud architects. Industries like banking, e-commerce, healthcare, and SaaS rely heavily on Dynatrace. Dynatrace versus traditional tools. Unlike traditional tools, Dynatrace is fully automatic, AI-driven scalable cloud native. It removes manual effort and delivers accurate insights. Real-world example. Imagine an e-commerce website becomes slow during a sale. Dynatrace instantly identifies that a database query is slow, shows affected services, and alerts teams before users abandon the site. Why learn Dynatrace? Dynatrace skills are highly valuable in today's job market. Learning Dynatrace helps you grow in DevOps Cloud Engineering SRE roles. It gives you a strong edge in production monitoring. Dynatrace is not just a monitoring tool, it is a complete AI-powered observability platform. It helps teams detect issues faster, reduce downtime, and deliver better digital experiences. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want a hands-on Dynatrace demo or a full course. See you in the next video.